Jen from the Moses Clan, and today I'm going to be making fluffy slime. And I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. So the difference with fluffy slime and regular slime, it's like fluffy slime stretches more and make more bubbles once you do that. And regular slime doesn't exactly make that much bubbles. You have to actually make it that bubbles. So, but here's the ingredients you need. You need borax, any type of glue you can do. Glitter glue, white glue, you just need glue. And then Sucone of your choice. And if you want to make fluffy slime, you need shaving cream. And then you need a spoon to mix it up. So let's get started. And so first ingredient, you need to add the glue. Make sure you get all of it out before you move on. It doesn't have to be like all out, but just try to get all out. Okay, that's about good. And then you add it doesn't matter how much shaving cream you add in, but then you add in the shaving cream. This is hard. Down. Okay, that seems about good to me. I'm making a mess. Okay, so then you add in your third color in your trace. I choose like green. Add a tiny bit at a time as it's like. So then, after you do that, you mix it up. And it's I'm gonna add a tiny bit more. This is really light because the shaving cream adds So just add more Sucone as much as you want it, the color you want. And once you get it, then you move on. But the shaving cream adds. So make sure you add the shaving cream first because it adds. It adds more white. It like makes your color lighter. So. Yeah, so that's probably about good. Mine is like a light green. So then you add the borax. Make sure you add a tiny bit at a time. Just because you don't want it to be this is like the most important part of it. Because it's actually turning into slime. So make sure you add a tiny bit at a time. Then I think I need a tiny bit more. So you don't need to pour the whole cup in and all that. And when you pour in the borax, make sure you dissolve it with water too, and then mix it up until it's all good. So this is my first time making fluffy slime, and I have eaten it. And this seems like really good fluffy slime to me. So I'm just gonna add a tiny bit more, and then I'm gonna do it with my hands. dissolve it with your hands. You don't have to worry about getting it sticky. Once you play with it and smush it all up, then it will be okay. Because then you can clear it off your hand once it's all, you think it's done. Hear the popping sound? Yep, and here's my fluffy slime. It's super soft and super fluffy, you could say, because it's fluffy slime. It's not like same thing if you pull it super fast, it'll just rip like that. But if you do slowly, it can stretch really far. Well, hopefully super far. It's supposed to do that. It's okay. But here's my fluffy slime. And thanks for watching. Bye!
Hi guys, we're gonna show you what you can do with fluffy slime.
Blow bubbles!
Whoa, this is huge. Okay, I think it popped. Yeah. Okay.